What if I told you that some of life's most profound lessons come from this hyperactive ninja who loves ramen? So life was a bit tough for me at the time when I discovered Naruto, and I found some motivation and deep energy watching this guy pushing himself so much against all the odds to reach his dreams. And honestly, I also love the original soundtrack in Japanese. This was really attracting me at the beginning. And I don't know for you, but I started to watch Naruto a bit more than 15 years ago when I was still in France before to come to Hong Kong. And as you can imagine, I was not this young teenager anymore, but already an adult of maybe over 25 years old. And I was trying to find my way, my own way between 6 years of night courses to get my master's degree, work uncertainties, personal life challenges, especially around saving my first cents to feel a bit safer. Noting that I started from zero. So yeah, I learned few things watching this manga. Today I walk you through the world of Naruto, not just for the epic fights and jutsu, but for the life-changing wisdom that's hidden in plain sight. These aren't just lessons for ninjas, they are lessons for anyone trying to navigate life's challenges. And before we begin, here's a question for you. What's your favorite Naruto moment? Drop it in the comments below and let's see if it connects to any of the lessons we're about to discuss. If you're new to this channel, I'm David, with over 20 years in finance, including a decade here in Hong Kong, where I've built a successful side hustle generating over $1 million. I'm here to share a bit of my journey on entrepreneurship and self-development. Let's start with lesson number 1, and trust me, this first one hit me harder than one of Tsunade's punches. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. You know that feeling when everything seems impossible? When Naruto first tried to create a shadow clone, he failed. Not once, not twice, but countless times. But here's the thing, he didn't give up. He turned his biggest weakness into signature strengths. And do you remember when he mastered the multi-shadow clone jutsu in just one night? This wasn't just about ninja skills, it was about refusing to accept failure as final. And think about it, how many times have you faced something that seemed impossible? Maybe it wasn't ninja training, but we all have our own Rasengan to master. And if you're looking to boost your focus at work, check out my free learning course, Healthy Habits, to help you stay focused. We'll explore what keeps you on task and what pulls you away. Also, if you are considering quitting your job, grab my free job quitting decision-making framework. It's a simple tool with 20 questions to help you reflect on your reasons and make a solid plan. You can find both links in the description below. Let's take those next steps together. And do you know what's interesting about Naruto? His greatest strength isn't his chakra or his jutsu, it's his ability to form unbreakable bonds. Remember when Gaara was this terrifying force of nature? Everyone saw a monster, but Naruto saw someone just like him. Through understanding and compassion, he didn't just defeat Gaara, he changed him. And that's the thing about true strength. Sometimes it's not about the punches you throw, but the hands you extend. And let's talk about something deep, the infamous Nine Tails confrontation. When Naruto met his dark side at the waterfall, he didn't run from it, he didn't pretend it didn't exist. Instead, he acknowledged it, understood it, and eventually mastered it. How many of us try to hide from our own darkness instead of facing it? And here's the truth, your demons can become your strengths, but only if you are brave enough to face them first. And here enter Rock Lee, the ninja who can't use ninjutsu or genjutsu. On paper, he should have never succeeded, but Lee taught us something incredible. Limitations aren't dead ends, they are invitations to find another way. Through pure hard work and determination, he became one of the most formidable ninjas in the series. Next time someone tells you you are not naturally gifted at something, remember Lee dropping those weights. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss what is coming next. Pain's philosophy wasn't just villain monologuing, it was a deep look at how heart rate perpetuates itself. How can you expect others to understand your pain if you don't understand theirs? And this isn't just anime wisdom, it's a lesson our world desperately needs. Breaking cycles of heart rate starts with understanding, not revenge. Remember when Naruto told Neji that destiny isn't fixed? That was more than just talk no jutsu. Think about Neji's transformation from someone bound by fate to someone who chose his own path. Your circumstances don't define you, your choices do. Whether you are a failure like early Naruto or a genius like Sasuke, what matters is the path you choose to walk. When Itachi said, self-sacrifice, a nameless shinobi who protects peace within its shadow, he wasn't just being poetic. True strength isn't about how many jutsu you know or how powerful your eyes are, it's about what you're willing to protect. Look at the third Hokage who gave his life protecting the village, or Naruto who gained power not for himself, but to protect his precious people. And so what are you using your strength for? And please don't forget to like this video follow and to subscribe so you don't miss what is coming next. And here's something wild. Naruto failed the graduation exam 3 times. 3 times. But each failure taught him something new. When he couldn't master the regular clone jutsu, he found his own way with shadow clones. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's really part of it. Every time you fail, you're actually gathering data for your next attempt. And this is what we call learning points. This one is really heavy. You remember when Naruto forgave Nagato? After all the pain, all the loss, he chose understanding over revenge. It wasn't easy, but it changed everything. The harder path often leads to the greater reward. Sometimes, the stronger thing you can do isn't to strike back, it's to extend understanding to those who have harmed you. The loudmouth ninja in the orange jumpsuit became the hero of the hidden leaf, not by changing who he was, but by embracing it. Naruto never tried to be the cool, quiet type like Sasuke. He stayed true to himself, loud, determined, and yes, sometimes annoying, but that authenticity became his strength. In a world that often asks us to fit in, sometimes standing out is exactly what we need to do. And so to me, these lessons from Naruto aren't just feel-good stories, they are blueprints for personal and professional growth. Whether you are facing your own nine tails, fighting your dreams, or trying to find your ninja way, remember, every great story, including yours, starts with a choice to never give up. And if this video resonated with you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear these lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that explores the deeper meanings in life, personal or professional. What's your favorite lesson from Naruto? Let me know in the comments below so we can talk about it. And remember, just like Naruto's journey didn't end with becoming a genin, your journey is ongoing. Keep growing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep moving forward. See you in the next video.